Today I wanted to talk about suffering. Suffering. Why? Why? That's everything that I could ask sometimes, why is this happening? Is this actually happening for me? I think suffering is a way to help ourselves to move. If everything is perfect, we do nothing. When we are going through really tough times, when we are suffering, we are going through a really dark time, is when we actually take action. We grow. That's the fastest way to grow, is when we have to overcome something really tough that happens in our life. There are two options, of course. Some people fall into the victim mentality and they actually destroy their lives, with suffering is one option always. But there is another option. The other option is to use whatever is happening for you um, as a fuel to get you to where you actually want to be. And that's something that I had to experience on my own self, so I could be here with you tonight, guys. And it's actually tonight because, as I mentioned before, I went through a really tough period, but I had two wonderful, I would say, blessings. One is less than 2 years old, and the other one is 2 months old, and she's actually sleeping right next to me. So this is the only time I have right now to be able to share with you guys. Hope you forgive me for the setup. I really wanted this fashion, full, even in nature type of background. But I cannot allow myself to even go in nature. My office and all that is still, you know, on the build up. So I hope by the time this video is released, I will have a better, office and everything already sorted. The reason is because I have moved 5 different countries in the past 2 years. So again, it's been really challenging 2 years. I would say 4 years. Yeah, more or less. So yeah, after this insight of what's going on for me, I want to talk about suffering. Suffering, when something really tough happens for us, is the moment that the universe is calling us to grow, is a blessing, even though it's wrapped into this awful wrapping paper, which is suffering, and maybe whatever is happening. But then, if we allow ourselves to unwrap this suffering, and we always keep ourselves connected to the source that is inside of us, that peaceful feeling in our heart, especially if you are awakened, you know what I'm talking about. It can feel so tough, so hard sometimes, but there is something inside of us that is this little faith. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let's try something just for a second. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, just for a few seconds. Silence your mind and bring yourself into your heart. Try to hear the beat of your heart. Connect with that. Take another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and go even deeper in through your heart. Feel the sensation. Feel the calmness in your mind. And that feeling of peace in this present moment. This is what I'm talking. This space is always available for you, even in the darkest of this moment, even in the darkest of the moments, whatever is happening, this peaceful sensation is always available for you. You can connect with that even in the middle of the toughest storm. Take another deep breath in and out. So that's what I'm talking about. Whenever we disconnect ourselves from the mind, from the thoughts that they keep coming, going, oh, I'm gonna start this one, or I'm gonna, answer to this person whenever, oh, I'm gonna get out from this situation, I'm gonna pay whatever, or I'm gonna, all these, mind noise that we have, trying to sort things out, is what disconnects us from the true essence that we have inside of us, which is this peace, this love, this calmness, the emptiness, the nothingness, the everything is all in our heart. And that's why suffering. Because when we suffer, we allow ourselves to maybe even leave people behind, maybe even, leave that job because, whatever. Maybe, now I am alone. Now I need to find for myself. Now I need to, leave whatever place that is not good for me. Maybe I need to learn whatever new skill or, these type of things. And all those experiences that we go through build ourselves up, stronger, smarter, bigger, clever, like whatever we need, we are going for it. We can do it. That's an option. We can definitely choose. And we choose to be a victim or become a victor for whatever happens in our life. If you are going through one of those experiences right now and you need support or guidance or even, a bit of more of that peaceful feeling in your heart, in your being, reconnect with your own essence again, just send me a message or contact me and I will be so much happy to share more with you. Otherwise, just comment, and share your love with this video. You can also share your experience with other people watching this type of video, so maybe you can inspire each other. And yeah, so hope to see you soon.